Sooner or later the lights up above will come down in circles and guide me to love. I don't know what's right for me, I cannot see straight. I've been here too long and I don't want to wait for it. Fly like a cannonball straight to my soul. Tear me to pieces and make me feel whole. I'm willing to fight for it, to feel something new, to know what it's like to be sharing a space with you. Fall on me with open arms. Fall on me from where you are. Fall on me with all your light, with all your light, with all your light.
Sooner or later it all comes apart. The walls are all shattered, I'm back at the start. But I'm willing to follow this wherever it goes. The heart has its reasons that nobody knows. And I wanna believe in a world we can't see. Millions of particles passing through me. And I know there's a meaning, I feel it, I swear. I can't see the future, but I know that it's there. Fall on me with open arms. Fall on me from where you are. Fall on me with all your light, with all your light, with all your light, with all your light. I close my eyes and I'm seeing you everywhere. I step outside, it's like I'm breathing you in the air. I can feel you there. Fall on me with open arms. Fall on me from where you are. Fall on me with all your light, with all your light, with all your light, with all your light. Mm-hmm.
This dance is called Fall on Me, choreographed by Snooke and Kerry. It's a 32 count, 2-wall, intermediate level, rolling 8 count, 9 dance. This one tag occurs 2 times in this dance. Section 1, starting with your right foot, cross, side, behind with a sweep, behind, quarter turn right, stepping forward, forward lock, forward with a half turn left hitch, forward with a sweep, cross, side, behind, side, cross. Section 2, side and make a 1/8 turn left, drag your left foot together, forward rock, recover and forward rock, facing 7:30, 1/8 turn left, recover, square up to 6 o'clock, quarter turn left, stepping forward. Step forward and make a pivot, half turn left. Keep weight on your right foot. Step forward and make a pivot, half turn left. Keep weight on your right foot. Forward with a hitch. Section 3, back together, forward and make a pivot, half turn right. Keep weight on your left foot. Forward, full turn to your right. Half turn right, stepping back, half turn right, stepping forward. Forward and make a pivot, half turn right, keep weight on your left foot. Forward, quarter turn right, stepping to side, behind side. 1/8 turn left, forward rock and hitch your left foot. Section 4, sailor step, square up to 6 o'clock, behind with a sweep, behind, side rock recover, behind with a sweep, behind. Step right foot to right side and sway to right, left, right. Rolling right to left, quarter, half, quarter. Last step, now is the count. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 R 2, 3 R 4 R 5, 6, 7 R 8 and R. 1 R 2, 3 R 4, 5 R 6 R 7 R 8. 1 R 2, 3 R 4, 5, 6 R 7 R 8. 1 and R 2, 3 and R 4 R 5, 6, 7, 8 and R. This one tag occurs 2 times in this dance. At the end of wall 2, facing front wall. End of wall 5, facing back wall. Do this 4 count tag. Starting with the right foot, cross, side, behind with a sweep, behind, side, cross with a sweep. With the count. 1 R 2, 3 R 4. That's the dance. I hope you enjoy. Thank you for watching.